As you all might have read about Nipah virus outbreak in Kerala, hence I will be speaking briefly about Nipah virus. Nipah virus is a RNA virus, comes under paramyxovirus group, and this virus transmission mainly happens through the bats to the human beings, or from bats to animals and then to the human beings. It can also happen transmission from human to human beings. When a person gets exposed to the Nipah virus, they will start developing fever, myalgia, and they can develop the cough, and most of these patients will end up with the encephalitis, that means having an altered sensorium or unconsciousness. The most important thing about this Nipah virus infection is the mortality is very high, and the mortality, that is the death, ranges from 30 to 70%. And as we all know, the outbreak of Nipah virus in Kerala in the year 2018, total 23 patients were infected, and out of which only 2 patients survived. That means the mortality rate was more than 90%. The diagnosis of Nipah virus is mainly through the PCR based technique or through the ELISA, and the samples that has to be sent is either the nasal swab, throat swab, blood, urine, or the CSF swab has to be sent for the diagnosis of Nipah virus. The prevention is mainly to avoid getting in close contact with the animals or the animal products, and avoid being close contact with the person who is infected with Nipah virus. Treatment, we do not have any specific treatment as of now, but however the supportive care only has to be given. The vaccines are on the process, and one can also use monoclonal antibodies for the prevention for the people who are exposed.